Okay, so I've just finished putting the new suspension into the cruiser. We just got back from our first trip away, really happy with how it went. I'll give you a bit of a rundown of what we got in there, what we're using, and then I'll show you how easy it was to fit. I want a 4-inch lift with the EFS heavy duty coils, matched it with the EFS extreme range of shocks, which are the 45mm ball ones. Really happy with how that rides. So 4-inch springs, I went the 5-inch shocks just for a bit of extra travel. I've got extended brake lines, I've got the panhards in there, and I've also done radius arms just to bring that front end caster back into line. So it drives really well, really happy with it. I put a little video together showing you how it all went together, so check it out.